We are at Rick's Cafe in Casablanca. Oh.
I need to put like.
Take a tour in the Rick's Cafe since we are here.
Yes, of course. Or like you kick yourself or something.
Oh, it just means fuck, that's it.
Yeah, kind of. So when you say no jodes, no mami, no, we say no jodas. It doesn't mean fuck in Spanish, but we use the same way when you hang.
Yeah. This is the next one.
There is another room where there is the big screen.
This music reminds
It's
me like
over
these
there.
Walt Disney movies.
زي ورانا احنا كقلب ولا. This is the screen where the movie. There's the movie. The movie is playing over there.
Something blue, water is blue.
I need to watch this movie now.
Yep, it's about to start.
Oh!
There you go.
Let's sit down.
Yeah. We are at Rick's Cafe in Casablanca.
It's too bright. Too bright because of the lights there.
Yeah. Wanna watch the movie? You can sit down there and I take a picture for you if you want, since you are here.
You can put
Don't miss it
like
out.
that as well.
Wide? Okay.
I don't know, but because maybe I'll let you play. You're the photographer. It's like I didn't expect it.
Yeah. Oh.
I need to put like.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. She's practicing some French.
Oh, I ordered 3.
Okay, it's fine.
One for you.
You
Oh,
want coffee?
thank you, man. Yeah. I love
you
coffee.
ask in French where's the toilet?
Will it toilet?
Downstairs. Please no camera.
Ah, no, okay, sorry.
Okay, and where is downstairs? Yes, of course.
Let's go. Yeah, get.
I want to get one. Wait. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Welkom.
Back to the light.
تبارك الله عليكم. Ah, it's completely different
Yeah.
atmosphere.